Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you 7 different ways to make roti, chapati, fulka and a paratha. Let's get right into it. In 3 cups of wheat flour, add some salt, and now we are going to start adding water little by little to make a medium soft dough. So just don't add the water all together, just little by little add it and check the consistency and then again add it. This whole process will take about 8 to 10 minutes. We want to make sure that the flour is well mixed with the water and becomes really nice and soft. Use back of your hand to press it and mix really well. This is to ensure that the dough becomes really nice and soft. We don't want any cracks in that. Now add about 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil to give that nice shiny texture to your dough and also mix it well. Dough is ready. Let's check the consistency, and with the help of a finger, when you press it, it easily goes in. So that's exactly the consistency we are looking for. Mix it one final time to make it nice and smooth, and now it is ready. We are going to now cover it and let it rest for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. It is now nice and ready to make the chapatis or rotis. So here I am taking a small lemon sized ball. So here is the size. You can take it a little smaller or bigger as well, but since I am showing the fulka first, here is the small size that I have taken. Take your rolling pad, and now I'll start showing you the first method to make the fulka. Dip it in dry flour and then with the help of a roller, just very gently start rolling it. You'll notice that the fulka will start to roll by itself, and this takes a little bit of practice. Do apply the dry flour so that the fulka doesn't stick to your rolling pad. It's ready. The pan is on medium high. Let's put the rolled fulka, and now we are going to let it cook on one side for few seconds. Flip it over and we are going to let it cook until you see those small bubbles forming up. It will take about 7 to 8 seconds. It's ready. Let's take it and put it on the flame. It immediately puffs up. This completes our first method. Apply some clarified butter and your fulka is ready. Second method, the rolling of fulka is same. So just take a small ball and dip it in dry flour and start rolling it. Be very gentle as you roll it, and the more you practice, the more better you'll get at it. But don't beat yourself, it takes time and eventually you will get there. So here is our fulka ready. Let's drop it on the pan. Roast on this side for few seconds. It's done on one side, flip it and let it cook on this side for about 7 to 8 seconds until you notice those small bubbles forming up on this side. In this method, instead of dropping directly on flame, I'm using the fulka ring that you get in a store. The ring ensures that the fulka doesn't burn, so just apply some clarified butter, and this completes our second method. Next is how to make the roti, and for that we have taken here a little bigger dough ball. Start rolling it very gently, adding the dry flour as needed, making sure that it doesn't stick to your rolling pad. We want it medium thick. The size of a roti is little bigger than a fulka, and that's the reason we used a little bigger dough ball to make the roti. So just keep adding the dry flour as needed and roll it. Here our roti is almost rolled. It's ready. Let's just one last time make sure on all the sides it's well flat. Let's drop it on the hot tawa. The flame is on medium high. We are going to cook it on this side until you notice that that white layer goes away and the roti gets cooked on one side. Flip it over and let it cook on this side until you notice the small bubbles forming up, just like how you did for a fulka. It's ready on this side. Let's go ahead and flip it. With the help of a cloth, just press it on all the sides and fluff it. Roti is now ready. Let's go ahead and apply some clarified butter and take it out. This completes our third method. In the fourth method, I'll show you how to make a roti, but the roasting is little different. So just follow and get the same size dough and start rolling it into a little bigger size roti. Rolling the fulka or a roti to a proper thickness is extremely important. If it kind of folds on one side or kind of breaks on the other side, it's not evenly flattened, that will hamper your roti or a fulka from fluffing up. Here our roti is ready. Let's go ahead and drop it on the hot tawa. And follow the same process, so wait until all that white layer goes away and it's cooked on one side. Flip it and let it cook on the other side until you see the small bubbles forming up. The flame is always on medium high. It takes anywhere from 7 to 10 seconds. It's ready. Let's go ahead and flip it. Instead of a cloth, I'm using this store-bought roti press. So this also kind of helps you to puff up the roti really well. Roti is ready. Apply ghee or a clarified butter and take it out. This completes our fourth method. Fifth one is to show the ghadichi pori or chapati. For this, again take a little bigger size ball and first we are going to roll it to a little oval size like this. Apply some oil, spread it evenly and then dip it in dry flour. Fold it in middle like this and then close it. Here you have the dough ready. Dip it in the dry flour and then just start rolling it as you would for a regular fulka or a roti. This is the easiest way to roll a ghadichi pori. Since we started with the circular shape of a folded dough, it will help us to maintain that circular shape for the end result of the chapati. The chapati is now well rolled. Let's go ahead and drop it on the hot tawa. Let it cook on this side until you notice that the white layer goes away and it's cooked well. Flip it and now we are going to apply some oil. Notice that the chapati starts to fluff up already. So go ahead and flip it. Apply some oil on the other side too. And just press it on all sides, and if you notice kind of air coming out from either side, just press it there so that it will help you to get your chapati fluffed up evenly. Ghadichi pori or chapati is now ready. Let's take it out. This completes our fifth method. In the sixth method, I'll show you how to make ghadichi pori, and for that take a big size ball and start rolling it. We are going to roll it into a small circle like this. Again, apply some oil, spread it evenly and then drop it in dry flour. Here instead of just one side, we have folded it in two sides. Drop this triangular shape in dry flour and then start rolling it into a chapati. This takes a little bit of practice since you're starting with a triangular ball, so making it into a circle will take some practice. But try your best and start kind of rolling it very gently. Apply the dry flour as needed. Notice that even my chapati is not perfectly circular, but it's good enough. Put it on the hot tawa. Follow the same process always, so never flip it as soon as you drop it. Always let it cook on one side and that white layer kind of goes away. This takes 5 to 7 seconds. Now flip it and add the oil. Flame is on medium high. It will take few seconds and you'll notice that the chapati will start to fluff up already. Flip it and notice that it will kind of fluff up really well. Just spread the oil with a spatula and then flip it one more time. Here your ghadichi pori is well cooked. Let's take it out in a plate. This completes our sixth method, and that's how you make ghadichi pori. For the seventh method, I'm taking a big dough ball and just drop it in dry flour and start rolling it. We are going to roll it to a small circle like this and just follow the same process. Apply some oil and then fold it on two sides. Now we have the triangular dough ready. Just drop it in dry flour, and here instead of making it into a circle, we want to maintain the triangular shape. That's the perfect paratha shape. Paratha is thickest of all, so when you're bored to make too many fulkas or chapatis, you can just make 1 or 2 parathas, which is equivalent to 3 or 4 fulkas or 2 or 3 chapatis. You can also add some stuffing in your parathas like some cheese or paneer or even potato. Make sure that you maintain the triangular shape. It's ready. Let's drop it on the hot tawa. Process to cook the paratha is same as a ghadi chi poli, so just wait until the white layer goes away and it's cooked on one side. Flip it and apply some oil. You can also apply some butter if you like. Just spread it evenly with a spatula and then flip it. Apply some oil on the other side too. Notice how well our paratha is puffed up. Just flip it one more time and it's ready. Let's take it out in a plate. This completes our 7th method. Hope you've liked all 7 methods that I have shown in this video. See what suits you and let me know if it worked for you. If you've enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.